Hey everybody, Logan Chappell here with J.R.Heller. Today I got
Old Skundrich here.
nice. We're coming to you from the office here in Ephrata, 108 North Reading Road, Suite 4. Come check us out. We've got a great spot here, selling a lot of real estate and doing a lot of mortgages. Joel here, man of many talents, been an entrepreneur for what, 10 years now?
A little while, we've done some different things, yeah.
Yeah, man. I've known Joel since high school, and we're several years out of that at this point. So we have a long-term relationship, and got him here working with us on the real estate side of things. But he also has a few other businesses that he works on full-time and part-time. So just wanted to get to know Joel a little bit more, and get things rolling.
Yeah, well, hey, thanks for having some time here for me today. Appreciate that. Always good working with J.R.Heller, and
Definitely, man.
good to be a part of the team here with you guys.
Yeah, man, we're happy to have you. So tell me, man, what got you into real estate?
I started working on houses as a painting contractor all throughout college, and really had a kind of appreciation for bringing those older homes back to life that needed some work, and really want to get into investing in real estate and helping buyers and sellers as much as we can as well. So
Definitely, man. That was what, with College Works, right? When you
Yeah.
first started painting?
Yep, College Works Painting was the company, so I was
Very
an
cool.
intern, yeah. Brand new branch of the business, and then got to mentor some other kids that run their own branches of the business too. So
That's awesome, man. And then what, you now have your own painting contracting business, don't you?
too, yep, here in Lancaster. It's called Lancaster Painting Pals. It's really part-time here. We paint houses on the weekends here and there, and have my younger brother, who's a teacher, help him out in the summer times when he's off of his main job, and a couple other guys here and there. So
Nice, man.
yeah, but
And then you do insurances then too, right?
yeah, so I also have a insurance brokerage with Goosehead Insurance. It's a national franchise. We're here located in Lidditz, just about 10 minutes down the road from Ephrata, and independent brokerage, help clients shop their home and auto insurance with a couple dozen carriers to find the best options available. So
Yeah, man.
yeah.
Here's the man, the myth, the legend, J.R.Heller. Hey, say hi to the camera, say hi to the folks.
How you doing, Josh?
Oh man, yeah, dude, Goosehead's awesome. I mean, you provide a great service there. I know I send all of my clients over to you guys for home insurance, renter's insurance, and then you do what, auto, life, and is that it?
Yeah, flood insurance, some small
Okay.
business as well, but our bread and butter is really working with some of our referral partners, like yourself in the real estate industry, realtors, mortgage lenders, to help their clients out on their way to closing with so many different carrier options. We've got an option for just about every borrower situation and just about every house out there on the market. So
Yeah, man. Yeah, this guy right here, I switched over my auto insurance. I stayed with the same company, so he was able to broker the deal where I got double the coverage for less money. I mean, you can't beat that, right?
it was a no-brainer, right? And
Yeah.
that was a few years ago. So,
Yeah. Saving me money with getting more coverage, sign me up.
Yeah. Eventually with that carrier, the rates went up on you, right, at renewal?
Yeah, they
And,
did. And then, that's why I was like, all right, well, time to hit up Joel.
And we reshopped him and found another carrier who's offering better rates at that time. So
Yeah,
we can always help clients reshop their policies as rate increases happen at renewal and life changes. So
the whole process is fairly simple too. Don't you have like a link that basically, click on it, fill out some basic information, you can get quotes right away?
yeah, so there's two options people can get quotes. One is the link you mentioned. We call it our digital agent platform, where the link brings you to a landing page. You fill out the address and basic information, gets you quotes in just a couple minutes. You have access to all of my, client reviews, contact information, and then we set up a call to review the rates, customize coverage, and see who's got the best option. Or you can always just give me a call, and we can do that for you as well on the back end. So
definitely, man.
yeah.
I'll have our boy drop the link below, so that way if anybody's interested in checking out to get better rates, that way you can check that out. It's super simple, and Joel's information will be posted as well. Yeah. So you have experience working with investors, you have experience with first-time home buyers. So on the real estate side of things, you're pretty well versed there as well.
Yeah. I got licensed back in 2018. Was working for a local independent broker out towards Philly when I was living there, and moved back to the Lancaster area. And Logan's been killing it with his career in real estate. Decided to team up with him with J.R.Heller here and keep growing the J.R.Heller brand as well. So
definitely, man.
Happy to help out.
Well, yeah, if anybody's looking to buy or sell any real estate, Joel's going to be your man. He services all South Central Pennsylvania, just like myself and the rest of our company. So if anybody needs any help, feel free to reach out. Obviously, our link will be down below as well. If you guys got value out of this episode, please like, subscribe, comment, get it to all your friends. That way everybody can hit up Joel for any painting services, insurance services, or real estate services. He's the go-to man. Thanks, guys.
Thanks a lot, and Logan's a man when it comes to real estate as well, so don't forget about him.
Thanks, brother. Thanks for being here.
Yeah.